So the bird is the one that tells the rhino that a human, they will have a secret language. The bird will tap on the body like, then the rhino will know, oh, humans are here.
Or the bird go to the ear and speak.
Maybe. Okay. So that's interesting. Using the information, as well the effect of bird pee's presence on child survival. So clearly, bird pee's presence
Bird pee help.
increases the chances of survival for animal. Okay, why? It helps animal or spot humans so that they
Kills the parasites.
yeah, no, but this one is in terms of spotting human because they say use the table. You must use the table. So they can run away from humans.
Chinese humans.
I think bird pea doesn't know the difference.
Oh.
Bird pea will be like, hairless monkey, hairless monkey. Humans hairless monkey, what? Huh? As in less hair, right? Then the rhino will, okay, let's go. It's time to go. Okay. Some of bird pea can fly around though. They can fly around, search for humans. It's like a drone. Drone. Rhino has its own drone. Next.
Kills the bird pee help rhino are.
Okay, Asha conducted an experiment found how the type of cancer affects the depth it pierces into a block